What fraction of the figure given below is shaded? It's a wonderful question, beautiful question. To start with, all of these pieces are identical. It's very important. If that were not the case, then we cannot proceed further with this. Each of these triangles is identical. You see the shape, each of them is identical. We're going to take it for granted that each of these shapes is identical. Now we need to count how many such shapes are there and then build from there. I'm going to think of this big one as a rhombus. And so this 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here, 6 here. 6 on the boundaries, right? And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 going in, or 6 plus 6, 12. 6 on the boundary, 6 going in. So 6 along the surfaces and 6 pointing inwards. 12 surfaces. Each surface is similar to that of a rhombus. Each rhombus is 2 triangles. 12 into 2, 24 triangles are there. Overall, 24 triangles are there, where each triangle is like this shaded region. Right? So how many are shaded? This we just have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 24, 8 are shaded. 8 by 24, which is 4 by 12, is 2 by 6, or 1 by 3. 1/3 of the figure given below is shaded. Break it into some equal parts, count all of them. There are 24 such equal triangles, of which 8 are shaded. 8 out of 24 are shaded, or 1/3 are shaded.